Let's now take a look at what comes in the box with the DJI Osmo Mobile SE. There is a box there, and a bit more information about it on the back just there, including what it does, which we'll talk about shortly. So let's open it up. So nice package, nice design. A bit in the box there about how to set it up, take it out. So to start with, there's the actual gimbal itself that we're going to be using. So there's the actual stand that you can use to sit it on if you want to sit on your table or your desk. And here is the actual mobile mount for the camera. As you can see here, it is just here. So we open it up and you use this with an app as well. So it feels like a very good quality piece. Doesn't feel too heavy. There it is, a bit more about the back on it there. And that's where you hold the phone in it as well. You've got a USB-C charging cable there. And also just here, we've got the instruction guides. So if we open up the box and have a look, we've got the carrying case, which is handy to run around with, instruction guide, and a bit more about how to set it up with the instructions too, which is quite handy. So let's put this all to the side and have a look. So here is a gimbal just here. So we need to get the phone in there. So let's grab the phone. So literally just put the phone in like this, clip it in. The magnet holds nice and strong, which is good. Put it on there, and now we turn on the gimbal. So turn over here, hold down the M button, turn on. There it comes on. And there we are. So it's active. Now you want it to be able to work. So let's go and put it on camera. So there it is there. Now it's got different functions. So you double click the bottom there, and that basically locks it in place if you press that. So it locks it in where you want it to go. So see there, double press it back. Because I use this to move it manually as well, you can also turn it over so it goes on the other side. So press that button there, and it'll change it to different aspects. So there you go. So you get the wide aspect there now. And again, hold the double click button there. See how it matches when it goes around. So no matter where you go, it's going to be holding on. And you've got this here, which you can use to turn it all different places. You can use this to track it too, and that to obviously start to take a video and hold it down to record. See, that's recording. So I'll actually go through in a bit more detail how to use this when we go out and about, but yeah, there it is there, the unboxing. Great quality piece, fits really well, and there you put the stand on it too if you want to hold it. Let's just do that now quickly and open it up, and there you can put it there.